This video covers steps for installing the Graco Recline N Ride 3-in-1 car seat featuring on-the-go recline in forward-facing mode with the vehicle seatbelt. We'll go over step-by-step instructions to help ensure your car seat is installed securely. Before getting started, have your car seat manual and your vehicle's manual on hand. And make sure your vehicle is on level ground. Graco supports the American Academy of Pediatrics and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's car seat guidelines. Please review this information before proceeding. Next, check the recline foot. The label shown here shows the correct position for rear-facing and forward-facing. If the recline foot is in the incorrect position, flip the recline foot over. Fully recline the car seat using the on-the-go recline. This opens up the belt paths to make the seat easier to install. Push the base against the vehicle's seat and make sure the recline foot is making contact with the vehicle seat. Then, unhook the top tether strap from storage and set aside. A majority of the car seat base should rest on the vehicle's seat. A line on the car seat base marks the maximum amount of overhang allowed. Thread the vehicle belt through the forward-facing belt path marked with an orange label and buckle the seat belt, making sure the belt lies flat and is not twisted. To tighten, press down in the center of the car seat. Pull on the shoulder belt while feeding slack back into the retractor. Lock the shoulder belt into the red belt lock-off. Only the shoulder belt goes into the red lock-off that is opposite the vehicle's buckle. Next, attach the tether. Extend the top tether strap by lifting up on the tether lock and attach to your vehicle's tether anchor. Tighten the tether strap and remove all the slack. Finally, go through this checklist to make sure the installation is correct. Test for tightness. Grab the sides of the seat where the vehicle's seatbelt is routed and slide the seat side to side and front to back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, press down firmly in the center of the car seat and pull more slack out of the vehicle belt. Repeat until the seat moves less than 1 inch. Check the harness. For forward-facing car seats, harness slots should be at or above the child's shoulders. Raise or lower as needed to ensure the harness is in the right position. Do the pinch test. Tighten the harness strap snugly by pulling on the front adjuster strap. If you can pinch the harness strap at the child's shoulders, the straps are too loose. Check the chest clip. Once buckled in, ensure the chest clip is at armpit level on your child. Raise or lower as needed. If you have all check marks, then you have a successful installation.